Hi everybody and welcome back. It's a big thanks to Trev and Sue from Poshcats Camping for the footage for this week's site arrival video, which sees us in Norfolk as we head to this site just 7 miles west of Norwich. We picked the footage up on the A47. We're heading north and we're about to make the first turning. It's onto the B1108 and it's signposted Watton and Norwich. At the end of the slip road, take the turning for Watton and Little Melton. From this direction it's off to the left. You're just over 3 miles from the site now. Follow this road for 2 miles. After 2 miles you'll come to this crossroads. We're going to be turning right. It's signposted Marlingford and you'll see the brown tourist sign there too. The road is called Bow Hill. Follow this road for around 0.6 of a mile. As you'll see, it does start to get rather narrow in places. After 0.6 of a mile, bear left here to join a church road. After around 0.4 of a mile you'll come to this junction here. Turn left, it's into Chapel Street. Follow this road for just a short distance and the entrance to the site will be on your right hand side. And here we are. Many thanks once again to Trev for providing the footage and to you two for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers for now.